Fast forward to 289 back again. Part 2 of installing the rearview mirror. We're going to take the glue, we're going to tear it open, just like so. It says put it in the center of the button. Hang on a minute, let's see. Let's try that. All right. Okay, hang on a second. Apparently it didn't tear like it's supposed to. Alright. There we go. Now I had these razor blades and cut it. Okay. And put a good amount right there. You can always, probably better to have a little too much and not enough. That way you can always clean it up afterward. Alright. After you got that, it says to put on windshield and hold firmly for 1 minute. Oh yeah, that's messy. He's a touch too much, but that's alright. So I can always clean it up. And I tell you what, as soon as you put it there, it doesn't move. It is there. I'm telling you. I already can't really move it. Alright, I'm not gonna waste a minute sitting here and watching you watch me hold this. So it says hold in place firmly for 1 minute. After a minute, let it sit for 30 minutes before installing the rearview mirror. But I'm gonna wait overnight. I will come back tomorrow and put the mirror on and show you the finished project. So thank you for watching.